And time is running out for people impacted by the May 16 tornadoes to apply for FEMA disaster assistance. So that deadline is today. And if you remember, it was actually extended 2 weeks to give people more time. Diamond Palmer is joining us live from North St. Louis. And Diamond, what if people miss this deadline again?
Good question, Michelle. I know that some people are still wondering what happens. And what happens is missing this deadline doesn't mean it's the end of the world, but it only means that you'll have to contact FEMA if you're needing help and provide additional documentation talking about your circumstances as why you could not complete that application. Now, people can come to these disaster recovery centers. You can see signs like that marking it to get your questions answered and file for these applications. Really, this is considered the last minute, but anything counts in order to get some of that money to rebuild. Take a look here at your screen. St. Louis has an estimated damage of about $1.6 billion in property damage, with over 5,000 homes and businesses destroyed or damaged from that deadly May 16 tornado. People needing FEMA assistance can use it to cover temporary housing, home repairs, and replacing essential belongings lost in the tornado. Officials have been telling people not to wait until the last minute to apply. We've heard that time and time again throughout these weeks past that tornado. But organizers with the coalition believe although deadlines for FEMA got extended once, there could possibly be a chance for them to be extended a second time.
In majority of cases, FEMA has extended at least 30 to 60 days, and it is not uncommon in situations where devastation is of this magnitude to have a second extension as well. 200 plus people each week have still applied for FEMA.
So again, if you're wondering where you should go if you have not completed your FEMA application, you can come right here to the Urban League Empowerment Center, which is on Natural Bridge, or you can head over to the Union Tabernacle Church. That's on Newstead. You can come here anytime between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. We also know that the mayor, Kara Spencer, is expected to address the public at 2 p.m. today. Of course, this is a pretty significant day because the FEMA deadline is today. So we'll be following that press conference for you on air and online. Reporting live here in North St. Louis, Diamond Palmer, 5 on your side.
All right, good information. Thanks so much, Diamond. For more information on how to submit your application today, you can text FEMA to 314-425-5355 and we'll send you a link.